I am here in my pretend student 8th grade Spanish Google account, and I'm going to click on an activity that is from the Voces online textbook. And now I have the activity in a new tab, and I'm thinking, okay, here I am. I've got an activity, but I need to be able to see the word bank at the same time. What am I going to do? Okay, I'll show you. First up is I will make this window take up half of my desktop space, and I've got over here on the right some space to work with, and I'm going to right click the tab and I'm going to duplicate the tab, and then I'm going to drag my exercise over here into this open space. Yay! Okay, so going back to the left hand side, I'm going to click on the 3 bars, and then I'm going to click on the apartment building. That's the directory. And this is all the activities. So if I click back, I go to the different sections, and then if I click Familia, and this menu shows up in different ways sometimes, you know, the horizontal, vertical, I don't know. Just click back, and then after you click back, look for Familia. Sometimes it'll be at the end of a row, I don't know. Look for Familia. And now you have this page with Familia, which is your word bank. And then you can look at Familia while you do your exercise, and you can say, El abuelo de mi madre es mi bisabuelo. And los hermanos de mi padre son mis tíos. And this is really nice. They have the special characters built in right for you, there for you, tíos. Okay. And if you have questions, stop by office hours. I'd love to see you.